Hello, everyone. Welcome to AnyTalk English.
Hi, friends. I am Mia. Today is a special day.
Yes, Mom and Dad are not at home. We are home alone.
And we have a mission. We must do the laundry today.
Laundry is easy. I am a laundry master.
I am a little worried, but let's try together.
Wait! Please click like and subscribe first.
Are you ready? Let's go to the laundry room.
Leo, listen. Mom says, please wash the white clothes.
No problem, Mia. White clothes, I got it.
Wait, look at this. There are many dirty clothes here.
White shirt, white socks. Oh, and this red sock, too.
No, Leo! Don't put the red sock in. Only white clothes.
It is just one small sock. It's okay, Mia.
Actually, one red sock can change everything. Please be careful.
Don't worry, Mia. I know how to do it. Let's go to the washing machine.
Okay, I hope it is fine.
Put them in. 1, 2, 3, finish!
Now we need some soap. Only a little, Leo.
A little? No. More soap means cleaner clothes. 1 cup, 2 cups. Oops, 3 cups.
What are you doing, Leo? How much soap did you put?
More bubbles, more fun! Look, I am starting the machine.
Leo, I have a bad feeling about this.
Look at the bubbles. They are growing fast.
The machine is very loud. It is shaking a lot.
Wow! Look at the bubbles! They are everywhere!
Oh no! The bubbles are coming out! It is like a monster!
Wait! Stop! Go back inside, Bubbles!
It is no use. There are too many bubbles. I cannot see the floor.
Oops! Help me, Mia! I am lost in the bubbles!
You look like a snowman, Leo. You have bubbles on your head.
This is not funny. Actually, it is a little scary.
We must turn off the machine. Find the button, Leo.
Where is it? I cannot see anything. It is all white.
Go to the left. No, your other left.
Ah! I found it. The machine is stopping. Finally, the bubble monster is gone.
But the floor is very wet. We have a lot of work.
Let's see the clothes. Are they clean?
Oh my goodness. Leo, look at this.
What? Why is the shirt pink?
All the white clothes are pink now. Even my favorite socks.
Oops. I think it was the red sock.
I told you, red and white make pink.
Mom will be very angry. What can we do?
Actually, we must tell the truth. But first, let's clean the floor.
You are right. I am sorry, Mia. I was wrong.
Cleaning is harder than laundry. My arms are tired.
Yes, but look, the floor is shining now.
Actually, pink is not a bad color. It looks pretty.
Maybe, but next time, please listen to me, Leo.
I promise. Only a little soap. And no red socks.
Good. We learned a big lesson today.
Friends, don't put too much soap in the machine. It is dangerous.
And always sort your clothes. White with white, red with red.
Phew! Now, let's wait for Mom and Dad.
Yes. Let's have some snacks first. I am hungry.
Wow, that was a big mess! Did you see the bubbles?
Yes, it was like a monster. Now let's practice 5 key sentences.
Listen carefully and speak loudly. We will do it slow first, then normal.
We use this sentence when we need to wash our clothes. We must do the laundry.
Use this expression when you put in a lot of something. That is too much soap. That is too much soap.
We say this when we think something bad will happen soon. I have a bad feeling about this. I have a bad feeling about this.
Use this when you cannot find things around you. I cannot see anything. I cannot see anything.
Say this when you need to be honest. We must tell the truth. We must tell the truth.
Great job today, friends. Your English is getting better.
Do you have a funny laundry story? Did you ever turn your clothes pink?
Please tell us in the comments. We want to read them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to AnyTalk English. See you in the next video with another story. Stay clean and stay happy. Bye-bye.